All right then. So, welcome to the interview experience. So, I'm starting a series of the most frequently asked questions over here, and I'll be making a playlist of the same for the questions which are most frequently asked in the interviews, at least the ones I have been to. So, yeah, it's the first time for me here as well. So, this is my first attempt at making a video. I hope the things I cover, the questions I cover, help you guys a lot and for your preparation towards securing the job you like. So without further delay, we'll just quickly jump right into it. And so the first thing which we are going to see today is callback functions. So I am using an IDE called JS Fiddle over here. It's an online IDE. It's free. You can test your code out. You can just check it out over here, or else whichever IDE you find it comfortable, you can stick with it. I mean, after all, it's just trying out some few JavaScript questions, right? So let's get started. So we'll start with the callback functions. So what exactly is a callback function? A callback function is a function which is passed into another function as an argument, which is then invoked inside the outer function to complete its action or task. That is, the function which is invoked will execute its actions first, and then the function which is passed as a parameter over here, as an argument over here, will be executing itself and presenting us the output. So let's try it out so that we have a better understanding of the same. So let's say I have a function called do homework. And I pass the subject as an argument, as a parameter, and the callback function, of course, as an argument. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just alert that I have started doing the homework. So as you can see, I'm using a special ES6 syntax over here. This is used for interpolation. So what it will do is whatever value we are passing inside it, it will just convert it into string and append it to our string over here. So this is basically used for interpolation, as I said. So let's move ahead. Okay, and now I call my done action. Let's see. Now I'm going to define another function. Let's say finished homework. And I'm going to alert. Yay, I finished my homework. Okay, so now when I call this function, I'm just gonna call do homework, and I'm gonna pass, let's say, math homework, and I'm gonna give finished finished homework, and let's see how it executes. Okay, yeah, so as you can see, it says started doing math homework, which we passed as a parameter over here, and and when I press OK, this gets executed and the done action gets called. So what we have passed as a done action function over here is a finished homework function. So that gets called over here. Yay, I finished my homework. That gets printed. So yeah, that's pretty much our callback function. And as I said, why we use it to trigger a particular action after set of actions are completed. Let's say this is completed, only then we want to display this. So this triggers the continuity of the same. This ensures the continuity of the chain of functions which we are executing. Also, I'd like to point out here that this done action over here, which we are passing, we are not passing it as a function. We're just passing it as an argument over here. We are not giving closed parentheses over here. So that is our callback function. So we get it called here as done action. So that is callback function for now, and yeah, see you guys in the next video.